Hello everyone, this is Anchal and today I am going to present about IoT, that is Internet of Things. In this presentation, we will cover what is IoT, why we need IoT, history, how it works, applications, challenges and future of IoT. What is IoT? It is basically a platform where everyday things embedded with electronics, sensors and softwares uh, which can connect to to an internet platform and which enables them to collect and exchange data. For better understanding of IoT, let's take an example. Let's say I have an internet platform. I can connect my house to this platform. In my house, I can connect my AC and I can also connect my lights to this platform. I can also connect my car to this platform. Through this, I can keep track of my fuel consumption. I can keep track of my speed limit and I can also keep track of my location. Now these all the things are connected to a similar platform and this platform will keep my preference. And whenever I'm going back to home and my preference suggested it would be good that my home AC is about 17 to 18 centigrade. So my system will take action and whenever I am in my home, my room will be cold enough and I am relaxing there. So this is a small example of IoT. Let's know why we need IoT, comfort and convenience. In the previous example, we know that how can I control my room AC and when I'm reaching my home, then I am just relaxing in my home. So it automatically it doing tasks automatically, which automatically lets us to comfort and convenience, as to high quality data. IoT IoT give us the real-time data about users and which can be useful for monitoring users and this data is useful for making things smarter through artificial intelligence. Saves time and money. Obviously, IoT saves time by doing tasks automatically, and for money, like it can switch on and off your appliances when there is no use of it. So it can also save you money. IoT provides better tracking and management. For example, it can monitor traffic lights and weather conditions, and if it 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 sees any suspicious behavior, it will notify the concerned authorities. History. The history of connecting machines was came into talk in early 1800 when first electromagnetic telegraph was designed. This electromagnetic telegraph enables machines to connect directly through electrical signals. One of the first examples of Internet of Things is from 1980 and which was a Coca-Cola machine located at the Carnegie Mellon University. This machine is used to check if drink is available and if it is cold enough before making trip. The actual term Internet of Things was not named before 1999. It named Internet of Things in 1999 by Kevin Aston. How it works? Basically, it has four major parts. First is sensors and devices. Sensors will be fitted in devices which can collect real-time data constantly. Every device has its unique identity which makes communication easier between device and internet platform. These sensors and devices have secure and bidirectional communication with internet platform for faster, better and high-speed messaging. Connectivity. To transfer data, we need a medium which can be Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, LTE, WAN, and they are chosen according to range and other need. Now, connection between internet platform and device established. Next step will be analyzing data. There should be a real-time analyzing of incoming data streams. This is the raw data which is coming through all the devices around us to the internet platform. We need to identify which data is important. Once important data is identified, our system will store the important data for further process. Last step will be taking action and notified about it to user through alarms, notifications and mails. For this, we need a very good communication between device and internet platform. And for this communication, we use REST API, an API-based integration with respect to cloud apps and IoT devices is done, which make communication between devices we have uh, we have two communication. Once once is a device which is giving information to the internet platform, and the second one is which is going to take action. So these two communications are integrated with REST API, and the REST API will make these communications easy. Third one is command and control. If I make a system and I have no command and control in the system, then it is a big hole in our system. So IoT platform provides us to control and gives a permission to command as per our need. Nowadays, IoT is used in various fields like in transportation, in smart homes, in smart cities, in healthcare, and in agriculture also. I am going to introduce some of the uses in some fields. In medical, remote patient monitoring, hospital asset management, improved drug management, chronic disease management. In smart homes, air controller control, light control, air quality sensor, temperature control. In agriculture, smart tractor, smart drone to monitor fields, real-time monitoring, real-time climate monitoring, transportation. In transportations, geolocation, fuel level efficiency, vehicle speed drive and idle time, asset tracking. These are the some IoT uses in various fields which are which people are using nowadays. Well, IoT is facing various challenges. I am going to introduce some of them. We need to overcome these challenges for better system. Security. In devices, in internet platform, devices connected to internet platform have a internet platform is easy to attack, and these attack weakens the system, and it is so easy to hack them. So it is a very big concern to various authorities. Big data is nothing but a large amount of data which is stored in our system, and it will be useless if it is no use of this data, no use of this data. If we are using this data and getting some valuable things, then it will be good. But if this data is just storing and there is no use of it, then uh, it will not good for our system. Connectivity is going to be a bigger challenge in future, because in future IoT devices are increasing rapidly, and connectivity in the ATV device is sufficient for current ecosystem, but it will not sufficient for future. So it will be a big problem in future. Power. So most of the devices are connected wirelessly, and we have to think of the idea. So we have to think idea making our power eco-friendly. Data privacy. Data which we are using in IoT devices and we are sharing with IoT platforms. These data is shared by various companies, and which is not good for which is not good. It discloses our privacy, and that's all. And complexity. It is one of the it is another challenge in monitoring data and connecting with so many devices, and then again take action. And in future this IoT system going to be more and more complex, because IoT devices are increasing rapidly. Now focusing on future of IT. What is the future of IoT? According to a report, by 2025, it is estimated that there will be more than 21 billion IoT devices. More cities and homes will become smart. Security and privacy concerns will drive legislation and regulatory activity. Artificial intelligence will contribute a bigger thing. Basically, artificial intelligence and IoT are working together. Data we are storing IoT, and IoT is an artificial intelligence using this data to monitor user, and for by monitoring user, artificial intelligence is doing our task automatically. So IoT and the artificials are linked with each other, and they are working simultaneously, uh, they are working in making our task easy for us. 5G networks will continue to fuel to IoT growth. 5G networks will increase our messaging speed, which will increase our data transferring speed. 5G will make our connection more stable. So this is the future of IoT. Thank you. Thank you for listening me, and this is a small presentation about IoT. I hope you like it. Once again,